In this video, we study the remaining part of to find mode by grouping method. In earlier video, we discuss analysis table in which we have to find mode and we observe from table that (11, 12, second, and third, 12, 13, 12, 13. Why this tick occur under 11, 12, 13? We discuss and derive in previous video. Here we have to find mode only. That how we find mode, the remaining part of previous example. In fourth, 10, 11, 12, and in fifth, 11, 12, 13, 11, 12, 13, and in sixth, 12, 13, and 14. 12, 13, and 14. Now, analyze this table. We add 1, 3 tick under 11, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tick under 12, and 1, 2, 3, 4 tick under 13, and 1 tick under 14. Now observe from this maximum tick come under 12, that is 6. Therefore, mode by grouping method is 12. This is the answer of the question. Now we study how to find cofactor of the elements, all elements of the matrix. Find the cofactors of all the elements of the matrix, and the given matrix is A is equal to 5, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, and 0, 5, 6. This is the given matrix, and solution of this question is write A mod 5, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 0, 5, 6. We have to write digit carefully because one of the error in any digit result in whole numerical wrong. Now, cofactor of the element of first row. The cofactors of the elements of the first row in A are This is first row. Now left row and column inside 1, 4, 5, 6, and position of this is A11. A11 mean -1 की 1 plus 1, and next one is A12. Position of this is A12. A12 mean -1 raised to power 1 plus 2, and left column and row we have inside 2, 4, 0, 6, and third one is position of 1 is A13. A13 mean -1 raised to power 1 plus 3, and inside we have 2, 1, 0, 5. Now on solving this, -1 raised to power 2 mean 1 plus 1 sign plus, and on cross multiplying 6 minus 20. Now -1 raised to power 3 mean -1 multiplied 3 times, result minus sign, 12 minus 0, and -1 raised to power 4 mean plus 1, and on cross multiply 10 minus, and here 6 minus 20 mean -14, and -12 and 10. This is the cofactors of the elements of the first row in A mod. Now the cofactors of the elements of the second row in A mod are, we have again position of A22 is, here is the position A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and -1 raised to power whatever the digit where. For example, A11 -1 raised to power 1 plus 1, that is -1 raised to power 2, -1 multiplied -1, that is +1. Therefore now we come to second row. Position of 2 is A21. Therefore -1 raised to power 2 plus 1, and inside we have left row and column, inside we have 2, 1 and 5, 6, 2, 1, 5, 6, and position of 1 is A22, -1 raised to power 2 plus 2, and inside we have lefting column and rows 5, 1, 5, 1, 0, 6, and position of 4 is A23, -1 raised to power 2 plus 3, and left column and row inside we have 5, 2 and 0, 5. Now on solving this, -1 raised to power 3 mean minus, resulting in minus sign, 6 2s are 12 minus 5, and -1 raised to power 4 mean plus 1, that is 6 5s are 30 minus 0, -1 raised to power 5 mean minus, and on cross multiplying 25 minus 0, minus, and 7, 30 and minus 25. These are the elements, cofactor of the elements of second row. Now the cofactors of the elements of the third row in mod A are now position of 0 is A1 3 minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 3, and inside we have left column and row 2 1 1 4 2 1 1 4, and position of 5 is A3 2 minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 2 minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 2. Inside we have lefting column as well as rows 5 1 1 2 4 5 1 2 4, and minus 1 position of 6 is A3 3 minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 3, and lefting 5 2 2 1 5 2 2 1, and position of this is minus 1 raised to power 4 mean 4 time multiplication of minus 1, that result in plus, and on cross multiplying 4 2s are 8 minus 1, and minus 1 raised to power 5 mean minus 1 multiplied by 5 times result in minus, and therefore inside we have 5 4 are 20 minus 2, and minus 1 raised to power 6 mean plus 1, and on cross multiplying 5 minus 4, that is 7, and minus 18 and 1. Therefore these are the elements of cofactor of the elements of third row in A mode. Now the cofactor of A is, write all the minus 14 minus 12 10 minus 14 minus